right, this video is for you young adults out there that are feeling kind of lost right now. There are phases in life where you don't feel stuck. You feel suspended. You're not where you used to be, but you're also not where you want to be. It's like you're floating in the middle of nowhere, confused, quiet, and exhausted. And this is one of the hardest parts of your journey. You pray, you try, you've changed so much already, but you still feel unseen. You're waiting for results, for answers, for a sign. And sometimes you ask yourself, did Allah forget me? Why is nothing happening? But pause. Even the prophets, the strongest of us, went through the waiting phase. Yusuf alayhi salam, locked in a prison, he was all innocent Musa alayhi salam, wandering through the desert with a hopeless nation. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, rejected, mocked, alone in the cave of Hira. They weren't forgotten, they were being prepared. This phase you're in right now, it's not a punishment, it's not failure, it's a divine pause. It's called intidhar, waiting. And in Islam, waiting isn't wasted. It's a time where Allah watches you the most closely. It's when He sees, will you still pray when nothing changes? Will you still believe when the path is foggy? You want advice? Just walk, even if you're unsure, even if you feel like you have no map, even if every step feels heavy. Because the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, if you walk to Allah, He runs to you. Hadith Qudsi. Take the job, start the habit, fix your salah, let go of what drains you, speak to Allah, even if it's just, Ya Rab, I don't know what to do. You won't figure it out by overthinking. You'll figure it out by doing, by walking, by trusting, even if it's messy, even if you fail first. Even if no one understands you, because one day, out of nowhere, Allah will open a door you didn't even know existed, and you'll realize this delay was never a denial. It was His way of building you before He blessed you. Just don't stop now. And jazakallahu khairan for watching.